Hi, I'm Jeff Onsrud, Director of Business Development for Onsrud. I'm here at IMTS 2016, and I want to introduce you to our X-Series CNC. The X-Series was designed for heavy wall extrusion machining. It really was born out of customers coming to us saying that they needed a machine that could cut heavier extrusions. They also wanted an American manufacturer that would stand behind the product and really support it, that they weren't getting from the current crop of competitors in the market. The X-Series features servo-controlled CNC clamping system, so you can actually feed the part in from one end, you can robotic load it, you can actually cut the part and then separate it for end machining. In this demonstration, we're showing it with an optional 500mm saw blade attachment. It comes standard with a 12-tool tool changer and has a 20-foot bed length. There's end stops that pop up on each end so you can position your part. And then when you cut it, the servos can move it to whatever position you need for machining. So with the X-Series CNC, we're showing the FANUC collaborative robot, and it's actually loading the machine. Once the machine cycles and cuts the parts, it actually offloads the machine as well and puts it back in the same cart, kind of like a pallet change. I'm here at the Hybrid Mill series. We call it the Hybrid Mill because it combines the speed of a CNC router, which is known for its high-speed machining, with the accuracy of a mill. And so with the Hybrid Mill series, you get the flexibility of a large cutting envelope where the tables can be run independently, kind of like a pallet changer where you're loading on one side while you're machining on the other side, getting that constant spindle uptime, or the tables can be electronically locked together for running those occasional larger parts. The Hybrid Mill has just been redesigned for IMTS 2016, incorporating customer feedback. We've worked on our chip management and access to the machine so that the doors now open up automatically via the CNC control, via M-code. And so the doors can open automatically at the end of the part program, and you can load parts via crane or forklift or whatever you need to. At IMTS, we've decided to show two different demos. One is a nested sheet of aluminum. So we're cutting half-inch thick aluminum nested sheet parts on one side, so it's really 3-axis work, and then on the other side we're demonstrating the 5-axis technology just on a test part that shows chamfering, smooth edge roundovers, pocketing, and a few other features. This is our OHSYNC machine monitoring platform. It's built on the MT Connect standard, and so it gives you all the monitoring that you want on your machine. You've got live readouts of what override percentages are at, you've got alarm statuses, cycle times. We even can incorporate a live camera feed. Along with this, we also have the ability to show off some reporting diagnostics about what's been run on the machine. So we can show both reports of the programs that have been run, and we can show diagnostic data such as servo temps, motor loads, and we can do OEE type efficiency reporting. Right now we have it in a demo mode, so you'll see that every few seconds it scrolls through the machines and you can have all of your machines down one side. We've got some simulated alert statuses so that you can see what kind of alerts pop up. And then we've got other machines that show they're in standby ready to run, and we're adhering to a typical tree light as far as the color codes go. Now we're over here at our Compact High Rail series. We call it the Compact High Rail because it's the little brother of our High Rail series, which is like a portal mill, about 7 feet of Z, 20 feet between the walls, and can go as long as you need to go. But the Compact High Rail here, it's as large as we can ship in one piece, and so it really can hit your floor and be running very quickly. The Compact High Rail here for IMTS is also redesigned, incorporating customer feedback. We've made the doors CNC controlled as well, so you can hit a button, M-code, and the doors will open at the end of cycle. The roof can retract as well, so it allows for easy loading via cranes. We've got chip conveyors down both sides and in the front to really allow for chip management. So if you're doing heavy pocketing of aluminum chips and really are going to produce a lot of chips that you need to get rid of, it has a very good chip management system. Another nice feature of the Compact High Rail is all of the moving parts are outside of the cutting envelope. So the ball screws and linear guides are all out of the envelope and covered in bellows. So if you need to cut things like carbon fiber, they're really out of that harsh cutting envelope. The Compact High Rail features a 7-foot by 12-foot table, so it gives you a generous cutting envelope and is a moving gantry style machine. At IMTS, we're cutting a ball nut carrier, which actually is for one of our own machines back home for our S-Series CNC router and RH series, which is roller hold down router. Those machines are known for their high-speed machining, and so it's a really robust ball nut carrier that we're able to machine very quickly compared to a traditional mill. On the other side, we're featuring a hatch cover made out of plate aluminum. On this machine, we can also integrate things such as flexible tooling or pogo pod systems where you can have automatic adjustment for your parts for when you need to fixture multiple curvatures. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to our website, www.cronsrud.com, or contact sales@Onsrud. We hope you've had a great IMTS 2016.